You want to make, you got 10,000 shares, you're going to write 100 calls. You're going to make 10,000 a month if you've got 10,000 shares. You got 20,000 shares, you're going to make 20,000 a month. Figure out how much that is. Figure out your taxes. It's 20,000 a month coming into you for 240,000 a year, American money for you Canadians out there. You know what that means? 20,000 American. That's a million Canadian a month. It's unbelievable, the exchange rate. Get ready. Just position yourselves and keep nibbling away at this stuff. Just buy it. Just buy this stuff. Just buy it. Just buy it. Giddy up, everybody. Oh my God. I'm not a lurker anymore. Good morning, everybody. I'm number 109. Alberto Premium's got me an additional 700 shares of SoFi at 690. Uncle Bruce, you are the freaking goat here. JR, one last question. Uncle B, my Spider Iron Condors are being tested on the call side, almost to breathing or breaching the long call. I wrote Jan 24s at 414, 429, 440, 451. Hold the line or roll. The calls still have 2 or more shrinkage available. You don't have to do anything at the moment. You don't need to react to it at this moment in time. You can sit the line. On the other hand, no, I wouldn't do anything. You got Jans? Nothing. Nothing right now. Just nothing. No. We'll talk about this on Saturday. Nothing. Relax. Jared, I'll take my answer off the air. It's all good. Alberto, cover calls, baby. Cover calls. Bring them. Give me the loot, baby. Come on. Give me the, I dare you. Come on. Exercise me. Alberto sitting there going, take me out. Make me buy it at 7. Make me buy him for 10. I dare you. I'll buy him at 10. I just got 3 something for him. I'll yeah, sure. Anytime. Come on, baby. Let's go. Rock and roll, kids. Are we having fun or what? 684. Who is being sold out? 17.6 million volume. This is screaming sellout. Absolutely screaming sellout. Someone's got there's a shareholder problem. There's not a company problem. There's not a we're going out of business problem. There's not a, oh, Bank of America is kicking our ass. That ain't the problem. Now, it's a shareholder problem. Someone's got a problem as a shareholder, and they're getting taken to the cleaners, and you have to take advantage of this. This is your job now. 685. What a joke. What a joke this is. Oh, my gosh.